Hello everyone, welcome to ChamiViews. This is our 32nd video of our GoLang series. In these videos, we have discussed about the channel related things, right? Now we already know channels are blocking, right? I will explain that one. First, I will clear my workspace. Okay. There's a channel called C1, right? In here I am trying to get some value from the channel, right? Like in this way we can get a value from the channel, right? In here we haven't set any value to the channel, right? But we are expecting some values from the channel, right? In here you can see it says that all go routines as sleeps deadlock, right? In here, right? Because there is no anything to get here, right? From the channel, right? This, it says that this is a deadlock, right? We can't get any value from here, right? And also program got panic, right? That's why we are saying that, right? Channels are blocking, right? To avoid that one, we can use select, right? Select. Using the select, first we can check if there is a content to receive from the channel. In this way we can get that value, right? If there is a message in C1, we can simply print that one, like in this way, right? If there is no message, then it will go to the default case, and we can say fmt.println there is no message. There is no message from C1, right? This is actually best practice when we are dealing with channels, right? Otherwise our program will get panic if we are directly try to receive the values from the channel. Now what is the output? There is no any panic here. It says that there is no message from C1, right? This is the way that we can avoid the channel blocking thing, right? For these things we are calling non-blocking channel operations, right? We can do that thing using the select, right? Okay, I will try to do another example. I will create a message called hi, right? And also I am trying to send this message to the channel 1, right? Like in this way. We already have discussed these things, right? In here we can't send, right? But we can check that one using the select, right? Select case, right? C1 send message. What is the message? Message, right? In this way we can send messages. Using the select we can check whether we can send the message or not, right? fmt dot, if successfully send that message, we can say sent message. This is the message, right? If there is any error occurred, it will go to the default case, and then we can say fmt.println no message set, right? Like in this way, we can avoid the panics, right? No message set. This is actually best practice when we are dealing with the channels, right? In this way we can check, right? No message set, right? There is no any panic here. Like in this way we can do several things. I will try to add more case statement, like case. First I will try to get message from C1, right? If we can't get a message from C1, we can say, if we can get a message from the C1, we can say put message from C1, right? This is the message that I got. And also we can check another thing as well, right? Assume that we will have some another channel here, right? Channel called C2, type is bool. I will try to receive message from C2 as well in here. Message C2. If I got a message from C2, we can print that one. Got message from C2. This is the message that I got. Otherwise, we can say fmt.println. There are no messages to receive, right? Like in this way, we can work with channels without blocking, right? These things are very important, right? Related to the GoLang related channels, right? These are the things that I want to teach you today, right? Hope you have got a clear understanding about channels. I have created several videos regarding the channels, right? Those videos are very important when you are learning about the Go related concept like concurrency, right? Hope you have got a clear understanding about these things. If you have any question, please put those things to the comment section, then I can answer to those questions, right? Okay, if you have learned new things, please subscribe to the channel, please share these things with your friends. We will meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye.